kids, very good morning. I am your Chandni ma'am from St. Thomas Babyland School, and today I come back with a English written subject. Okay, so today we will do in this book, Creepers book. Okay, so keep your Creepers book and open this page. See, in last video we already finished this vowels. Today we will do this page. Page number 7. Okay, see what it says. See, circle the first letter. Circle the first letter of the picture. Circle the first letter of the picture. That means you have to circle the first letter. See, what is this? What is this? Cup. What is this? Cup. C for cup. So you have to circle here. Okay? Then what is this? Egg. What is this? Egg. E-double-G, egg. So you have to circle here. E. E for egg. What is this? Dog. D for dog. Where is D? Here. So you have to circle here. Okay? What is this? Hen. H for hen. Where is H? Here. So you have to circle here. Okay? Then what is this? Ear. E for ear. So where is E? This one. What is this? Pencil. P for pencil. Where is P? Here. So circle on P. What is this? Apple. F for apple. Xylophone. X for xylophone. X. Hat. H for hat. Where is H? This one. Box. B for box. So circle on B. Van. V for van. Okay, understood? So this page you have to complete at your home. Then after, see, this page today we will do. You can see here. What is this? Apple. Egg. Ink pot. Orange. Umbrella. You can say also A for apple. You can say also A as in apple. A as in apple. E as in egg. E as in egg. I as in ink pot. I as in ink pot. O as in orange. O as in orange. U as in umbrella. U as in umbrella. Okay, so you have to learn it verbally. Then after, today we will do this page. See, in English oral video, in English oral lecture, teacher already finished this page, but then after again we repeat the same page. Okay? Vowels A. See, what is this? This is AG word. Which word? AG word. BAG bag. BAG bag. RAG rag. RAG rag. TAG tag. TAG tag. Next one, AT words. AT words. CAT cat, CAT cat, BAT bat, BAT bat, MAT mat, MAT mat. Next one, AN words. AN words. CAN can, CAN can, PAN pan, PAN pan, MAN man, MAN man. AP words. CAP cap, CAP cap, MAP map, MAP map, TAP tap, TAP tap. Okay, so this page also you have to verbally do at your home. You have to learn this spelling and this pronunciation. Okay, this page and this page also. And today it's your homework. In writing you have to finish this page. And second, keep this book, open this page. Okay, mention here date and write here HW. So in this book you have to do A to Z letter 2 times. It's your homework. So in writing you have to write 2 times A to Z letter and finish this page. Okay, it is your homework. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.